Hi, very good evening students. We are back with another short video of law prep tutorial. We will be solving few questions and we will try to keep it very short so that you don't get bored, and we will do it fast. Okay, so first and foremost, when this type of question comes, the first thing you have to do, that when you can see the relationships are given by some kind of symbol, plus, minus, in multiplication, division, the first thing first you should do is that you have to write it down somewhere, the relationship. Over here it is said that A into B, it means A is the father of B. That means multiplication means father. Okay. Then comes A divided by B means A is the mother of B. Okay. So division means mother. You will get a rough copy in the exam hall and you can write it down. And A plus B means A was the daughter of B. Okay. Plus means daughter. Daughter, and A minus B is the brother of B. Minus B is brother. Okay. So multiplication means father, division means mother, plus means daughter, and minus means brother, and everything will be considered from the left hand side. Okay. Left hand side matters the most. Now first question first, we will solve it and we will try to solve it fast. Okay. See, P plus Q minus R divided by T. Now how is T related to P? First is that we have got plus sign, you have seen it. Plus means what? Plus means daughter. P is the daughter of Q. Let it put it like that. P is a daughter of Q. Now put it Q over here and P over here. Okay. So P is the daughter of, so we have got P is the female and Q is the, we do not know about Q's gender. Q can be male, can be female, Q can be mother, can be father, we do not know it yet. So P, we know P is the daughter of Q. Now Q minus R, minus means brother, Q is the brother of R. So now we have got it. So Q is the male version, Q is the father of P. Okay, Q is the father of P, Q is the father of P, and R is the brother of Q. R is the brother, Q is the brother of R. So R can be male, can be female, we do not know it yet. Now division, division means mother. R is the mother of T, R is the mother of T. So now we know that R is a female. So R, they are brother and sister, Q and R are brother and sister, and P and T are also cousins. Okay, it can be brothers, it can be brother sister, anything. So no, P is the daughter, so we know that. Fine. Now we do not know the gender of T, so we don't have to know about it. Now question is, how is T related to P? How is T related to P? But they are siblings, they are cousin brother and sister. They can be cousin sisters, but they can be cousin brother and sister, either sisters or brother and sister. But we do not have that in option. Do we have? We have aunt, father, grandmother, none of this. So but they are cousins, cousin siblings. So how we will relate it? It will none of this. None of this will be the correct answer. None of this. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Which of the following means R is the wife of P? Over here in this kind of question, first of all, you do not have to solve the entire 4 equations. No need, because you will waste a number of time and you won't be able to complete the paper in this kind of questions. What we will follow? We will follow the rule of elimination. We will eliminate it. So first, what is the question? It's in which of the relation we will find out that R is the wife of P. That means R has to be female. R has to be female and P has to be male, and they are husband and wife. Okay. P is the man and R is the wife. Okay. So R has to be female and P has to be the male version. Now P into R, into means father. P is the father of R. First equation gone wrong. Next, P division by divided T, that means P is the mother of T. How can it be? P is the male. We cannot just change the gender in the middle of the question, so it is again wrong. Again P divided by R means P is the mother of R. No, 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 no. P is the husband of R. So again wrong option, and the last one is left out. We won't even solve it. See, by the process of elimination we have got it. Okay. D is the correct option, because other options in the beginning 2 equations are also only given wrong. Okay. So P into T Q plus R is the correct answer. P into T Q plus R is the correct answer, D. Moving on to the next question. 16. P into T divided by Q plus R, and how is R related to P? Let's check it out. P into T, that means P is the father of T. P is the father of T. Okay. We know P's gender. It's a man, it's a male, and we do not know the gender of T. T divided by Q, now we know it. T is the mother of Q. Let's put it like this. Okay, Q बच्चा है तो छोटा सा बच्चा गोदी में. T is the mother of Q. We have got the version of T also. So T is mom. Okay. T is mom of Q. Now Q plus R, plus means daughter. Q is the daughter of R. Okay, that means T and R are husband wife. So T is the wife and R is the husband. So Q is both T and R's daughter. Okay, we have got it. Now how is R related to P? How is R related to P? R is the son-in-law of P. क्योंकि दादाजी है ना P, क्योंकि दादाजी है P, तो R का कौन बनेंगे? R बन गया son-in-law. Son-in-law is the correct answer. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Question number 17. P divided by R minus Q into T. How is P related to T? Let's check it out. Division means mother, we know. So P is the mother of R. P is the mother of R. Okay, fine. And R minus Q. Minus means brother. R is brother of Q. Okay, R is the brother of Q. P is mother of R. R is brother of Q. Now Q can be directly P's son. Okay, we do not know the gender of Q, sorry, we do not know the gender of Q. R is a man and P is a female, we know that. They are, she is the, P is the mother and R is the son, and Q is, R is the brother of Q, R is the brother of Q. Q can be female, can be male, we do not know. Q into T, Q is the father of T. Now, see, we have got it over here, T. Q is also a man, they are both brothers and their mom is P. Q's daughter is T. Now how is Q and T related? Grandmother. P is the grandmother of T. P के दो बच्चे हैं R and Q. Q के एक बच्चा है वो T. तो पोती हुई है, राइट, यस. तो ये दादी हो गई. P is the दादी, so grandmother. Grandmother. Moving on to the last question. R minus P divided by J into Q. How is J related to R? R minus P divided by J into Q. How is J related to R? Now we have to check it out. See, R minus P, minus means brother. R is the brother of P. We do not know the gender of P, but we know the gender of R. R is a man. R is the brother of P. Now, P divided by J. P is the mother of J. P is the mother of J. So now we have got both R and P are brother and sister. P is the mother of J. J into Q. Now J into Q. J into means J is the father of Q. You know what, we could have avoided this journey. The J is related to R. So J is related to how, R कैसे हो गए, R is mom, R तो मामा बन गए J के, but J का जेंडर हमें नहीं पता. J कैसे, it can be both nephew, both niece. It can be both nephew and niece, sorry, both nephew and niece. But that is why we have to find out J into Q. So J is the father of Q. That means J is a man. So when you are a man, you will be nephew. So nephew is the correct answer. Okay. We could have avoided this last portion, you know, but just because there was nephew and niece both in the option, you have to check it, both in the option, only nephew, we could have avoided it. No need to think about how J is related to Q. But just because both nephew and niece were given in the question, in the options, you have to check whether J's gender is male or female. That is the reason, that's it. So it was nephew. Okay. So we have solved it quite fast, and thank you children. We will continue this kind of paper solving sessions even more, and till then take care, study hard.